Hey there. Need help with your account, a charge, or a lost card? Knowing how to quickly contact Amex customer service gets you the right help without the hassle. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to reach them. The fastest method is often the phone number on the back of your physical card. You can also find contact numbers within your online account or the Amex app, which may direct you to dedicated lines for Platinum or Centurion members. For non-urgent matters, use the secure messaging feature in your online account. It's great for detailed questions and creates a written record. You can also reach out via their official social media channels like Twitter, @AskAmex, for public support. My crucial pro tip? Call during business hours for complex issues. If you need to discuss retention offers, disputes, or complicated travel bookings, calling on a weekday often connects you to more experienced agents who have greater authority to help. That's your roadmap to getting world-class support whenever you need it. What's the best customer service experience you've ever had with a company? Share your story below. For more guides that solve everyday problems, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.